Hey, so I have some of this sound deadening material from Sound Deadening Showdown. It's the website, link it down below. It's a bit chilly here, so I have a heater going right now, and the plan is to apply some of these on the ceiling. A lot of loose panels here, just around, but I don't think there's any reason to put anything on the floor. The floor itself is already very sound deadening, and so that's step number one. Okay, cable, you good now? When I started doing this, I saw people using these rollers to apply pressure and whatnot on their sound deadening material. And this stuff is very flexible. The stuff that we have, like, I could easily bend this. But instead of using these, I found that using something like this is far easier and just effortless. You can just take it and just roll right over it, and be done in like a couple seconds. I got a blue one. It came with my Reflectix. I wasn't even expecting that, so I'll put the link down below for that. And as far as application goes of the sound deadening, you just peel off the plastic backing and just kind of plop it where you want it to go, and then just start at one end and just push it up. That'll reduce the chances of getting air bubbles and whatnot caught from the sticky side. Of course, if you have like a contour, start at one end and kind of push it around the contour. Now, if you're planning to take these off, I've already taken the one off from that corner and that one too. You might be left with some dark spots from the adhesive that came on these things. So if you get any of this black goopy residue left over, take some of your isopropyl alcohol. 99% works well. And just dab that onto a cloth and it'll just come right off. It's about 65-70 degrees Fahrenheit in here. So that'll affect maybe like the adhesion properties of the sealant, whatnot. But there you have it.
Morning and adding in reflective gear so that the sun doesn't shine in.
So the trick to get a nice straight edge when you're cutting this is to imagine take your fingers to like you're pinching something and just go beyond that a little bit, so you're not too close to the edge, just beyond that. And you can just take your pen or whatever and mark it out, because this finger always just follows the edge and this one's just below it. And you just follow it down. I've already marked it out, but you get the point.